Greetings WordPressers, Jackson here. Welcome to the channel, nice to have you as always. Skeptical, that's what I was. Very, very skeptical. Because I've heard it all before. Plugin comes along where it promises to speed up your website unbelievably with a click of a button. And there was one in particular a little while back that was exposed as actually cheating Google PageSpeed Insights. And that's not what we want now, is it? But this time, I think they've got it right. And it's from a really reputable and well-acknowledged and an absolute favourite of mine. The guys behind Malcare, Blog Vault, and the quite awesome Migrate Guru. If you haven't seen my vid on that, it's up there and in the description. But it does promise to do that magical thing where you literally don't have to do any work and you click a button and your site's mega fast. So if you cannot be bothered to create a really super optimized website when you start building it from the get-go, you know it's a passion of mine, or maybe you've inherited a site from a client or you've taken over a site and it's an absolute donkey, then this could be the plugin for you. And like I said, it claims to do all of this with a single click. Shall we give it a try? It's WordPress site speed with AirLift. All right, here we go. We got AirLift here. This is what we're dealing with. Really easy sign up. Just stick your email address and password in. You'll get an email, confirm your email, and you're good to go. I'm already logged in, so we'll just open that up. And I've got no site, so it's saying add a site. This is probably what you'll see when you first log in. So what site is it? Well, let's have a look at the Urban Jungle company. It's a WooCommerce site, so pretty chunky. It's got lots of lovely plants for sale, foliage, all good stuff. Let's have a look at how big this page is, because this is the killer. If we open up the inspector, we're on the network tab. This will give us an idea of the size of the page, where it's coming in on page load at 4.5 mega. If we scroll down and keep scrolling, jumps up. It's jumping up, and close to 6. That is not good. Let's see what we're up against. PageSpeed Insights is saying 59 score on performance, failing FCP, failing LCP, speed index 9.2, behave. Right, let's try and sort that out then. So let's go get our site link back to our AirLift, put that in there, continue. That's adding a site to our sites. Now we're going to download the plugin there, get to our back end. So it's not a massive site. It's only got 10 plugins, but it's Woo and it's Elementor and stuff like that. So let's add a plugin. Let's upload a plugin, choose the file. There's our AirLift, open that up, install now. Now, because we're logged in to AirLift dashboard, when we activate the plugin, we will get redirected to the AirLift app. Because remember, all of this stuff is happening, all this optimization is happening off-site to the greater extent. And it's underway. We're off to the races. It's estimating time at the moment. It's analyzing the site, and it's going to go through and check all the files and assets. It's going to optimize images. It's going to optimize fonts and minify stuff and defer stuff. I mean, it's quite extraordinary how it works. Optimization. So I'll probably fast forward this. Blink and you miss it. Well, I did pause it. And this was the result. Look at this, 60 to 96. Pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that completely. So shall we test what it is now on Google PageSpeed Insights? And then we can go through some of the tech spec, as it were. So 59 to beat. I mean, it's saying on here that it's smashed it, but let's see what Google says. Let's grab that URL again, get a brand new page speed up. Let's give that a analyze. And Google, come on, what are you saying? What are you saying? Still thinking about it. Come on, we're looking for 96 here. Come on the 96. Oh, 98. I'll take that. I will absolutely take that. That's really pretty good. I mean, it really literally was one button. I mean, few hoops to jump through, etc. But wow, that's amazing. Let's have a look through what's going on here. Now we can see that it's still optimizing pages and images and stuff. So it's obviously done the home page, but what it's doing is it's going through every page and imagery sizing, converting images to web format, WebP, lazy loading the images. Absolutely epic. So what it does, it optimizes every aspect that you can optimize. CSS, so gets rid of unused CSS. That is an absolutely given requirement in this day and age. Adding critical CSS so that stuff doesn't fall over on page load, minifies it. Brilliant. Defers it when it needs to, I'm assuming. Squeezes all CSS files into one file. Brilliant. And look at the CSS on the homepage. It's only 156. That's pretty amazing for the size of that homepage. Same with JavaScript. Delayed, minified, and deferred. Font optimization. I mean, you know I bang on about that. Go and search my channel for font optimization. Google fonts are huge if you don't do it properly. This does it for you. Load of other compression stuff going in there as well. That's pretty cool. And let's just look at these metrics here. Everything gets a bump. That is absolutely awesome. I mean, it really is quite extraordinary to go from 59 to 98, and we've done no work, ladies and gentlemen, at all. I think I'm a little bit blown away. Link in the description to download AirLift and give that a try for yourself if you've got a really slow site. Could be just what you're looking for. And if you're looking for a bit more WordPress, try this one for size. But until next time, I shall see you later.